This is a Cryptomeria japonica grown in the shade. This is a full shade environment here. It only gets maybe an hour a day of filtered sun. And this was planted here about 6 years ago. It was about a 3 to 4 foot tree when it was planted, and you can see it's about 12 foot tall right now. The Cryptomeria can grow in some shade because this type of tree really bolts for sunlight. But it's not going to perform very well in full shade, but it can stand it. Now over here you can see these trees were planted at the same time, and the closer you get to the other trees, you can see the slower the tree grows. More in the open, grows faster, and closer to the shaded area, it grows a little slower. Now these trees are surrounded by some other trees in the area, such as these big maples here. There's a Norway maple and a sugar maple. And this is the east direction here, so it gets this sunlight right here during the day. So these Cryptomeria get about 50% sunlight during the day, and as you can see, they're doing fairly well. The one that gets more sun grows a lot more robust. In the back of these trees are viburnums. This is our viburnum hedge in the back, and as you can see, the viburnum makes a real nice buffer here. And this is actually blooming a second time during the year. And hydrangeas. But the viburnum, this is an old colony of a viburnum. And you can see how it's a multi-stem. It's pretty much upright habitat. It's not going to spread a lot of suckers along the ground like some other trees and shrubs would. But it pretty much grows right where it was planted. You can see here's another big one. And as you can see, not much in the way of suckers growing away from it, but it does form a fairly tight colony, and it grows pretty much up where it was from where it was planted. Again, this is Highland Hill Farm on Route 313 in Fountainville, and this is just some of the specimen plants that we have planted here just for demonstration purposes, so people can see some of the plants and shrubs that we do sell. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. We specialize in a lot of screens and buffering plants. We grow a lot of green giant arborvitaes, Cryptomeria, pines, spruces for screens and buffers, and we plant all over the East Coast. These are Cryptomerias that we have on sale. These are about 6 foot tall, 5 to 6 foot tall, and they're in a number 7 pot. These Cryptomerias are $50 each for the fall of 2009 while supplies last. We can deliver and plant them for $75 any place on the East Coast, except we won't go where it's zone 5, 5.5. This is a zone 6 plant. Give us a call at 215-651-8329. This is just a little walking tour of some of the trees and shrubs that we have in our yard that you can come and look at on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. We have thousands of trees, plants, and these are 30 to 36 inch steed hollies. These are in a number 3 pot. They're 30 to 36 inches tall, and we have quite a few of these. These are a real nice little border and hedging plant to get this to be about 5 foot high. These are Thuja plicata zebrina on sale, fall of 2009. These are green luster hollies. These are $18. These are 3 to 4 foot green giants in a number 3 pot at Highland Hill Farm. These are our 36 inch emerald greens, real nice full plants in a number 5 pot. These are on sale in fall of 2009. These are our 3 to 4 foot Leland cypresses in a number 5 pot. They're on sale 2009, fall of 2009.